I'm Miss Gloria
I'm Miss Jan.
at the Elmhurst Public Library, and today we want to talk with you about birds. There are so many birds around you every day, flying, hopping, singing, squawking. Look out the window or go outside. You can find them in your yard, in a park, on a pond. If you look and listen, you will see and hear them. There are so many kinds of birds around. Listen closely to hear them, and it might help you spot a new neighborhood bird.
It is exciting to see the birds around your neighborhood. You might want to invite them to your yard. You can put up a bird feeder, or two, or three, or four. You may be able to see different kinds of birds close up this way. Just remember to keep your feeder stocked for your hungry flying friends. When you see a bird, it's nice to remember it and learn more about it. One way to do that is by making your own bird field guide. A field guide is a book that describes different birds in words and pictures. Why make your own field guide? You can learn more about the birds you see around you. Share your bird facts with your family or friends, and even be a citizen scientist, observing birds and their migration patterns over time.
Part of being a scientist is observing and describing the things around you. When you make your bird field guide, you can draw the birds you see and describe what they look like with words. How many different kinds of birds can you observe in your neighborhood? Look around and listen. The more you observe, the more exciting the world of birds becomes. Have fun observing the birds in your neighborhood. Now, Miss Jan will show you how to make your own neighborhood bird field guide.